What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm about to be showing y'all how to replace a starter. So yeah, sorry I haven't made a video in a long time. I just didn't know what to work on. But then I had a problem with my starter, and I watched a YouTube video how to take it off. So now I know, so I can show y'all. So first, you want to take off your air box, the air filter cover. Then it just pops right out. And what you want to do, you see this clamp? Loosen this clamp, take off the air filter, and then you see these two clamps. One's holding the air box to the carburetor. Loosen that one. And then the other one is right here that hooks up to this. And loosen that one. And then what you want to do is hold up. You want to go down here. You see that bolt right there? That holds on the air box. Take off that bolt. And then take off the air box, and then you can get to the starter easy. And yeah, I might have to take it apart. I don't know how to show y'all, but you see that bolt? Take off that one and the other two, because I think there's three. And then disconnect the wire that hooks up to the starter. There's a wire, disconnect that. And the wire is up here in the front. It's one of those. So unhook that wire, take off the starter, put a new one in, put in the bolts. And yeah. Then just go back on the air box, slide on the air filter, tighten it up with the clamp, tighten up the air filter to the carb, and this clamp. And hold up. It might be a little difficult to put on this, but I'm gonna show y'all. So, you see these two tabs? They have to match up with these notches. So make sure they match up. If they don't, if you put it on the wrong way and it's either not matching, just turn it around. So yeah, that's all I need to show y'all. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.